Well, if there's any theme to this week's video that's a short one, it's how to have a garden without gardening, because I really haven't had any time to do any gardening this week. And I'm really amazed because a lot of the plants that I have chosen for my garden are pretty drought tolerant. And since I'm having well issues after my husband's death and dealing with all of that and can't water much, oh my goodness, what a mess. But I am so grateful that the garden still looks like this, even after the lack of care and the lack of water. And I'm just feel so blessed to be able to just go outside for a few minutes a day and enjoy nature and God's gifts. I had a friend this week that said she has a black thumb. Well, I don't really believe that anybody has a true green thumb. I think it's all in just planting a plant and learning about that plant, watching it grow, and you get to learn what each plant likes, and you get better at gardening after observation. And I really just put that out there for everybody who is thinking about getting into gardening, that it really is a matter of just experience and getting in there and learning the plants that you put in your garden and how to care for them. And every garden is different. So if something works in one garden but doesn't yours, it's not you. A lot of times it's something like the soil is different, or, there's lots of factors that go into it. But just hang in there, keep trying, because it's so worth it to have a beautiful garden and to have nature right there at your back door. It's such a wonderful experience to be a gardener, and what a joy in your life to be able to go outside and spend a few moments to just refresh and reboot in a beautiful garden. So I'd encourage anybody to get out there and try gardening. And you guys get out there and garden your hearts out. And I'll talk to you soon in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching. And thanks for all your encouragement lately. I really superly duperly appreciate it. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.